Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi bersama John Aksesoris. Sebelumnya saya keluarga John Aksesoris mengucapkan minal aidin wal faizin, mohon maaf lahir dan batin. Mohon maaf buat teman-teman. Di video kali ini saya mau kirim paket ya. Video ini mau kirim paket kepet sersan nih, mau saya kirim ke Cilacap. Oke. Jadi John Aksesoris juga melayani kirim paket, tapi belum punya toko Shopee ya, belum buka di Shopee, belum bisa COD. Oke, langsung saja kita bungkus. Tapi sebelumnya jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe, oke? Biar tambah semangat bikin kontennya. Dan yang mau tanya-tanya bisa WA di bawah ini, oke? Let's go, kita bungkus.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Oke, sekian dulu packing paketan ya. Kalau mau pesen bisa WA di nomor ini. Oke. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sukses.